Hello friend, welcome to AAB. Here in this video, I'll explain most used end-to-end process of business analytics. When I tried to learn business analytics, I had struggled a lot to get entire end-to-end process in one place. That is why, after reading lot of books, discussing with friends and colleagues, watching lot of videos, doing lot of research, I have come up with these videos for you friends. I value your time and effort. That is why I'll try to give maximum content in this video. One video can solve your maximum problem. Please view this video till end. In these videos, I'll explain below concepts, basic statistics which you must need to understand if you want to learn business analytics. End-to-end process of business analytics mostly used. Model validation concept. Below are the statistical concepts which you must need to know to understand business analytics. Mean, mode, median, skewness, kurtosis, variance, standard deviation, covariance, correlation, regression, ANOVA table, R-square, adjusted R-square, F-test, information value, WOE, VIF. Mean. We can say arithmetic mean or average. Sum of numbers divided by number of numbers. AM. X1 plus X2 plus X3 ... Xn divided by n. These are the salary of group of people. If you want to know what is the mean salary of these people, mean salary is equal to sum of all salaries divided by number of people. Here 16,571.42. Mode. Mode is most frequent value in the dataset. Here most of the people's age is 30. Here we can say mode age of the group is 30. Median. Middle most value of the dataset. Here set of data between 1 to 9. Here median is 5. The median is the value separating the highest half of the dataset from the lower half. Skewed and kurtosis. To understand skewed and kurtosis, we need to understand normal distribution first. The normal distribution is something informally called as Weld curve. The normal distribution also called symmetric distribution, where mean is equal to median is equal to mode. Left skewed distribution. A left skewed distribution has a longer left tail. Left skewed distribution are also called negative distribution, where mean lesser than median lesser than mode. Right skewed distribution. A right skewed distribution has a longer right tail. Right skewed distribution are also called positive skewed distribution, where mean is greater than median is greater than mode. Kurtosis. Kurtosis is a measure of whether the data are heavily tailed or light tailed related to a normal distribution. That is, data which high kurtosis tends to have heavily tailed or outliers. Data with lower kurtosis tends to have light tails or lack of outliers. Variance and standard deviation. Variance. Variance is measurement of the spread between numbers in a dataset. The variance measures how far each number in the dataset is from the mean. If you see equation below, here a square is variance equals to summation of x bar minus x square by n. Standard deviation. S denotes standard deviation. Standard deviation equation is root over summation of x bar minus x whole square by n. In other words, we can say standard deviation is root over of variance. We can say standard deviation is a measure of the dispersion of a set of data from the mean. It is calculated as the square root of variance by determining the variation between each data point related to the mean. We can explain standard deviation by below Weyl curve. Here, one standard deviation is 68.2%, two standard deviation is 95.5%, three standard deviation is 99.7%. Covariance and correlation coefficient. Covariance. Covariance is a statistical measure of the degree to which the two variables move together. Let's understand by below formulae. Covariance xy is equal to x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n minus 1. Here we are talking about two variables, x and y. Say for example, x is equal to age, y is equal to income. As age is increasing, y also increasing. That is called positive relationship. Correlation coefficient. It is a measure of the strength of the linear relationship between two variables. Let's understand it by below formulae. Summation of x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by root over summation of x minus x bar whole square into summation of y minus y bar whole square. Correlation coefficient denoted by R. Let's understand correlation coefficient by below plots. Here, as age is increasing, y also increasing. That is called positive correlation. Here, as age increasing, y is decreasing. It is the example of negative correlation. In this plot, for an increasing of x, there is no correspondent reaction in y. Here, no correlationship is existing. Regression analysis. Regression analysis is a set of statistical process for estimating the relationship among variables. Let's understand it by below graph and equation. Here, beta 0 is intercept. Beta 1 is slope coefficient. In this equation, y is dependent variable, beta 0 is intercept, beta 1 is slope coefficient, x is independent variable, e is random error. Let's understand intercept. If independent variable does not move, how much change happen in dependent variable? Let's understand it by below example. You open a new shop, you realize some best sales is happening without doing any advertisement. Here, intercept is baseline sales, x is equal to advertisement, y is equal to sales. Now, let's understand random error. Here, yi is actual value of y, y hat is estimated value of y, so random error is actual minus estimated. Types of regression. Linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, stepwise regression, rigid regression, lasso regression, elastic net regression. Linear regression, logistic regression are most used technique in business analytics. ANOVA, analysis of variance. Let's understand the concept with below graphs. Let's focus on this part. Here, summation of actual y minus mean of y whole square equals to SST, total sum of squares. Next, if we focus on this part, here summation of actual y minus predicted y whole square equals to SSE, sum of square errors. Now this part. Here summation of predicted y minus mean of y whole square equals to SSR, regression sum of square, also known as sum of square regression, SSR. So we can say SST equal to SSE plus RSS. Sum of square is SSE, mean sum of square. MSE is equal to SSE by n by 2. Total degrees of freedom n minus 1, sum of square STT equal to RSS plus SSE, standard error of estimate, root over MSE, root over SSE by n minus 2. Now most important topic, R square. Coefficient of determination, R square. Total variation STT plus unexplained variation SSE divided by total variation SST. Explained variation RSS divided by total variation SST. Next topic is adjusted R square. Adjusted R square equal to 1 minus R square into n minus 1 divided by n minus p minus 1. Now very important topic is F statistics. An F test explain how well the dependent variable is explained by the independent variables collectively. Here MSR, mean regression sum of squares, MSE, mean square error, n number of observation, k number of independent variables. F test MSR divided by MSE equal to RSS by k divided by SSE divided by n minus k minus 1. Decision rules for F test. Reject null hypothesis if F test is more than critical value. F statistics is always a single-tailed while testing the hypothesis that the coefficients are simultaneously equal to 0. Our next topic is weightage of evidence and information value. It is explained in information theory. It is used for variable selection, grouping or binning variable, predictive strength. More is weight, good is the variable. We can explain WOE, weightage of evidence, log of distribution of good by distribution of bad. IV, information value, sum of distribution of good minus distribution of bad into WOE. These two information mostly used in logistic regression. Let's understand the concept by below table. This is age group. I group the age of the customer in different groups. Total number of loan. Number of loan given to different group of people in particular period. Number of bad loan. Out of this loan, how many are bad loan? Number of good loan. Out of this loan, how many of good loans? Percentage bad loan. Here we mention what is the percentage of bad loan given by the bank. Name of coverage group. Distribution bad, distribution good. Now ln, logarithm of distribution of good divided by distribution of bad. WOE, weightage of evidence value for every age group. Distribution good minus distribution bad. Distribution good minus distribution bad into weightage of evidence. Information value. we calculate information value as sum of distribution good minus distribution bad into WOE. So, information value used for variable selection, weightage of evidence used for variable grouping and binning. Our next concept is VIF, variable inflation factor. A variable inflation factor is used to detect multicollinearity in regression analysis. Let's understand the concept by below formula. VIF equal to 1 by 1 minus R square. Here R square equal to total variation plus unexpected variation divided by total variation equal to explained variation divided by total variation. Let's understand the concept by multiple regression. Y is equal to function of M, N, O, P, Q. Here focus on M, N, O, P, Q. They are independent variable. Pick up one variable and run linear regression with other variables. By running linear regression by considering one variable as dependent variable, we will get R square of that variable. From R square, we can able to calculate VIF of that variable. Say for example, in this table, VIF value of M is 4, N is 8, O is 7, P is 10, Q is 11. Range of VIF value is between 1 to infinity. Higher is the VIF, more collinearity is. If VIF is lower, then we should include that variable. If we want to remove variable based on VIF, it should be removed one by one. After knowing this concept, you might be confused when to use which statistical method. Then not to worry. Please refer below table. In general practice, we follow these methods. After knowing this, you will be more confident. If you like this video, please click on like button below. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all updated videos whenever I'll update. Thank you so much.